Major accident at the airport. A military plane successfully landed on the runway, but the engine failed shortly after landing. The plane couldn't move anymore. It got stuck on the runway. Shortly after, another plane came from behind at full speed and hit it straight. Huge crash plus smoke plus action. Such funny and dangerous moments are rarely seen at Los Santos Airport. Tell me, how did this crash feel? Whose fault is it? The first plane or the second? Want to see more airport crashes? Let me know in the comments.